Hi, welcome back. In my previous video, I showed you the orthographic projections of octahedron shape. So the octahedron shape is something like this, and this is the orthographic projections of this one. So today in this video, I would like to draw the isometric view of octahedron, and also I would like to show you how we can draw the oblique projection of this octahedron. So first I will draw the isometric view of octahedron. So for isometric view, we start with a reference line and then we draw two lines at 30 degrees. Now the first we will draw the square. So this is the square. For example, if we hold this like this, so this is the square base. So we will draw the square base in isometric view. And for that, since the square is, we are taking it as horizontal, we will draw in this way. The length of the edge is 40 millimeter. So we take 40 millimeter here. So the two perpendicular edges of the square is represented here. So the other two we can find out by drawing parallel lines. So this is the isometric representation of the square base. Now we will find out the center of this square. So this is the center of the square. We can draw a vertical line passing through the center, and here we will locate this point, this vertex and this vertex. So this is the isometric representation of the octahedron, and here these edges are not visible. So in isometric view, we do not have to draw these edges. In the isometric view, we can see that the representation is not very understandable. It is a little bit distorted. So let us try another type of view, which is called oblique projection. So in oblique projection, again we will start with the square, and in oblique projection, the first one side of the square will be drawn parallel to the reference line, and the other edge, which is perpendicular to this edge, can be drawn at 30 degree or 45 degrees. So here we will draw at 30 degree. And in oblique projection, there are two types of projections. One is called cavalier projection and another is called cabinet projection. Here we will follow the cabinet projection. In this case, the side which is perpendicular to this one is drawn only half in its length. Since our edges are 40 millimeter, I will draw 20 millimeter in this case. Then we will draw other edges parallel to this. Again, we will try to find out the center of this square. We will use the same height that we have used before. So now we will connect the vertices. So this is the top one, and we will use thicker line because these are the outlines. So this one is oblique projection and this is isometric projection. So we can see that the oblique projection gives better representation of the octahedron compared to the isometric view. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, please do write them down below in the comment section. Thank you.